Guys, so sorry for not posting long. I said this before, but today I'm finally done making a cat cafe. So here's the video for you guys, and I'm gonna need to talk louder because on the previous video you guys didn't hear me saying that this is my new fan. It's just your new house, so I need to speak louder now so you guys can hear me because I was a little quiet yesterday. So yeah, so let's get into it. And by the way, if you want to use this cat cafe ID, please give me credits if you want to use this. So yeah, let's get started. And by the way, I have a new character. This is my new character, so yeah, let's go. Whoa, this cat cafe is so cool. It's so pretty. Has so many cute little cats. Okay, let me go over there. Whoa, there's so many cats. Hello. Hi, welcome to the cat cafe. But before you come in, I'm gonna tell you some few rules. Okay? Please don't go touch the big cats. They're probably gonna scratch you. Oh, okay. And if you want to get some cat treats, you'll probably need to ask me, and you have to pay to get cat treats. Oh, okay. And the third rule is just have fun, and yeah. Okay, thank you. No problem. And I'll come to your desk, and I'll probably give you your menu. Okay. All of the seats are kind of taken, so I'll probably gonna go outside and sit there next to this. I'm probably gonna take some pictures. Ching, ching. These cats are all so adorable. Oh, I'm gonna pet you, little one. Oh, I wonder what her name is. Okay, let me go. So, what would you like to order? Yeah, can you give me your phone for now? Of course. So here's the menu. You can just go to your site and order anything, and then come to my computer. And oh, by the way, that cat you're holding is actually Sunny. Oh, she's very cute and a little playful. Yep. Well, anyway, just hope you enjoyed the cat cafe. And I'll give you your cat food soon. Okay, let me go check the order. What's happening? Anyways. Oh, she ordered. Okay, let me see what she ordered. She ordered one sandwich with one biscuit. And a slice of strawberries. Okay, that's good. And with one slice of coffee. That's good. Okay. I'm gonna make an order. I'm gonna make it that. Oh wait. Oh, never mind. She didn't know. Just ordered a cake. So I'll just probably going to make her a mini cake, but I'll just probably make her a pie. This apple, and boom, a pie. Now I'm gonna take some strawberries. Okay, that's great. Yummy in my tummy. And here's some cake, and I'm gonna give her some strawberries, and then I'm done. So I'm gonna give her an order. Here we go. Thank you. I'll give you your cat food. Oops. I'll give her coffee. I think she'll like milk in it, so I'll give her some milk. I don't know if she's lactose intolerant, but I hope she's not. But and I'm gonna give her some cat treats. I think this will work. Here you go. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this cat cafe. Okay, but I'm just gonna eat my food and then pet the cats, but I'm gonna eat it later. Here you go. Oh, you're so cute. Let me touch you. Oh. Oh, okay, you're kind of angry. Okay. I'm gonna give you some little bit of cat food too, Sunny. Aww. You're so cute. Okay, this video is kind of glitchy, so I'm so sorry. All of you guys are so cute. Ugh. I hate this cat cafe so much. Whoa, that lady is so pretty. I wish I could marry her. Hey, wanna get my number? I'm sorry, but I already have a husband, so come on, you don't have to tell him. Oh yeah, you just need to back up. Sorry. Yeah, no, baby girl. Please come with me, baby girl. Sorry, no, I already told you I have kids and a husband. Come on, you don't need to tell him. I said back off or I'll call the cops. Oh, come on. You're so boring. Ugh. I said leave me alone. Ah! I'm never coming back. Aww, thank you. You're so nice. I want to know what your name is. Let me go check on Duos and see what your name is. Aww, your name is great. Okay, I'm gonna give you some food because you're a saver. You're so cute. I'm gonna give you some of this food. Oh, you're so cute. I love you so much. I wonder if someone's gonna come with me, so. I wonder if someone's gonna come. But if someone comes, it'll be really great. Oh! Oh, hi, Bella. Oh, hi. Long time no see you, good friend. Yeah, long time no see. Anyways, come on. You can sit on my seat. Okay. Whoa, long time, huh? Yep. Oh, you haven't eaten your food? Yeah, I haven't eaten right now, but it's still real good. Whoa, this place is so good. And you wonder when it does get so good. It's always so good. I have this for like 3 times. Already? Yeah, I already know all of the cats' names. That's fun. Yeah. Well, these cafes are so cool. But I wish I could like, you know, got the big hats. Oh, who's your favorite? It's Gray. I think he's really the shady one. I know, but he's still my favorite. Oh, okay. Have you seen the Pearl's cats? Their skin is so smooth. But let me go and inspect them. Whoa, they're really smooth. Yeah, they're having a brother. Really? Yeah, did you see them on the counter? Meow. Yeah. Have you seen the one that was standing on the fridge? Oh yeah, refined sugar. Yeah, it's so funny. Oh my gosh. Oh, that cat is so cute. Okay, let me look at him. Oh, I found this little cat. It's so cute. Oh, you're going to get scratched. Huh? Why? Well, the mother is going to come in any moment. Any moment. Huh? Oh, okay. Whoa. That was scary. Yeah, it is because that's her mother. Really? Yep, she actually has 2 children, so. Aw, that's cute. Yep. And it's just a cat family. Oh, that's adorable. Well, I just, gotta go. Oh. Okay, but see you later. Okay, bye. Bye. Okay, you think the video is going to end here? Just kidding. Nope, it's not. We're going to do some little bit of shopping and then I'm just going to go and end the video. Okay, so I'm just here at the mall because I just need some more outfits to choose. So yeah. Oh, there it is. There are 2 outfits I needed. I'm gonna try these on because these are my favorites. I'm gonna put that there. Oh, I really like this outfit. And now next one. Okay, I really love this outfit, so I'm gonna wear this. I'm also gonna get an outfit for Oliver. I think this will work with Oliver. So yeah. Oh yeah, and also Izzy says give me her another outfit, so I'll just give her this piece. Okay. Okay. Your total will be $100. What? Just for clothes? Yes, the clothes have been getting really expensive. Wait, I'm gonna get that outfit. Oh, okay, let me go get that outfit. Okay, here we go. Thank you. Now that'll be $200. Oh, geez, I'm gonna get broke after this. Yeah, no joke. Okay. Ching. Okay, you can leave now. Ugh, I'm broke, but anyways. Ooh, some yummy yogurt. I love yogurt. It's so good. And some marshmallows. I need to restock on skincare, so I need to also get some skincare. What do I need is this. This is a really good product. Oh yeah, and I also need green maskish. I also need some spray. Oh, this is the baby, so I'm gonna get something for Hazel. And Mia, of course. I think Hazel needs a new toy, so I'll give her something from there. New baby wipes. And Mia says she needed some new clothes, so I'll give her a few more swimsuits, and I'll probably give her this outfit. It's real cute. Okay, that's it. And that's it at the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye! And please like and share.